are traveling many a weary mile to go visit Carter because he had this bright idea to take 7-inch pipe and make an exhaust out of it. So we're gonna go check that out in the flesh and see if it's actually good or if it's crap. Okay, we're at the shop, and remember, when we're in the shop, we are on our best behavior. So apparently, a trucker gave Carter a bunch of 7-inch pipe stock because he wasn't gonna use it anymore. And Carter said, hey, I'm gonna put it on my truck. So that's what we're doing right now. Or that's what he's doing, and I'm going to film him doing it because I don't feel like helping. This is strange. This is going to be a Carter's truck video. We haven't done a Carter's truck video since literally the first video on the channel. So this is his old 5-inch. And this is that big, beautiful chrome 7-inch that he's working on fabbing up right now. So that's the goal. You're supposed to stare at that welding arc as long as you can, right? So I just went dumpster diving at the shop and I just found this massive old tip. That's coming home with me. Ryan, buddy, was able to make a nifty little baby here. This is an adapter. It goes from 5-inch to 7-inch, and we didn't want to buy one, so he made one. It looks like a colander or whatever bowl or kitchen item that looks like, but you get it. It'll be nice. I think Carter needs a cap cut edit of him welding.
Sigma edit?
A Sigma edit.
I shall ride eternal.
It is now almost midnight. Carter continues to tell us he's almost done, like he has for the last couple hours. We would love to hear this thing run with a 7-inch exhaust, but the boys are getting weary, and you know, it's lack of sleep is starting to set in. You getting tired, buddy?
No.
Yeah, it actually sticks out the perfect amount. Just a little past your back wheel.
That's exactly what
Okay, now we gotta weld a couple more inches just for the fine tuning, but we got it on the truck bed. We test fitted it. Looks fantastic. We just gotta weld a little more on there, and then we'll be able to put the whole shebang together. It'd be a lot easier to vlog if Buddy wasn't welding every 5 seconds. So now we're welding the final piece in place, getting it all finalized here.
That thing's cranked for like a 1/4 inch right now.
You know, we are the only greasy hillbillies putting a 7-inch exhaust system on a 12-valve swapped GMC Sierra 1500 right now, and that makes us winners. So you'll probably look at the title and thumbnail of the video and think, oh, 7-inch exhaust tip. But no, this is a cab back 7-inch exhaust setup. So this thing should really bark, but we won't know until we get it running. We officially gonna fire it up?
Yeah, we can do it.
Ooh. can definitely hear that turbo more. Woohoo! Thoughts?
Yeah, it didn't used to be like that.
So Ryan's just finishing up the last little bit of welding, and then we can get out of here. Look at that cannon. Oofda. That's insane. I want to hear what it sounds like at 4,000 RPM. What are you doing in there?
My dad bought me this.
Oh, your dad bought you that?
Yeah, for my lawn care.
Oh, so you started a lawn care business, but your dad happened to buy you a brand new truck with...
Seconds from when you rev it till the smoke comes out.
Yeah, there's like a delay. You rev it and then 3 seconds later the smoke comes out. That turbo whistle is definitely more prominent now.
He took my truck before I could even drive it.
Yeah, how does that make you feel?
A little bit sad.
Are you gonna beat him?
I might.
Oh, I didn't even know I had it in me to stay up this late anymore, but we accomplished a good thing today.
Well, it would have helped if I didn't start it.
Look at all the little tracks from the creeper rolling around. I'm actually quite satisfied just watching you do this. Woo-hoo-hoo, that hurts. Ah. That does not feel very good on the earlobes or the inner mechanisms. The anvil or the stirrup. So me and Ryan are forced to watch Carter scrub the floor, so now you have to as well. You get to suffer through it with us. Oh, you just wait, young man. I'm gonna film you some sick rollers.
Put on rolling by Lip Biscuit.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay.
This guy? What a jacket. Bye, Carter. Okay, we're gonna call it a night. It's really late. I don't even want to guess what time it is. Yeah, it's about 2 in the morning. Ladies and gents, we are back for the second half of Carter's video. We're hoping to go get some cool shots of his exhaust in the daylight because it was hard to get good video quality at night. So, I mean, even though it's rainy out, we're gonna try and get some good footage for you guys. And before we get into it, you know, just put in the comments what kind of stuff you want to see. Like, we're open to suggestions. Like, we have a list of ideas of stuff we want to do, but if you guys want to see more of something, you know, just put it in the comments. Oh gosh, this is awkward. Are you filming me, filming you? The vibes are absolutely immaculate right now. It's too rainy to go do truck things, so we're hiding in the barn working on the new dozer. Alright buddy, since you won't let us do truck things, what are we doing to the dozer?
We're gonna weld a bunch of steel plates to it.
Oh man, somebody's getting...
I have a bone to pick with somebody at the post office.
Let's go smash mailboxes because it's a little dozer. Dude, what is this? Carter, I think I found your new exhaust. It's this giant hunk of like 3 foot wide tubing. Oh, that's real nice. It's literally a classic you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about scenario. That was a waste of time. Sorry about the lack of footage of Carter's truck. The weather was really bad, so we were kind of stuck inside working on the dozer. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.